The Franklin rod system, also known as the rod and cable system, is the most common type of lightning protection system. It is named after Benjamin Franklin, who first proposed the idea of using a pointed metal rod to attract lightning in the mid-18th century. The Franklin rod system works by installing a series of lightning rods on the highest points of a building or structure. These rods are typically made of copper or aluminum and have pointed tips, which help to attract lightning strikes. The lightning rods are then connected to a network of down conductors, which are typically made of copper or aluminum cables. These down conductors run down the side of the building and connect to the grounding system, which is designed to disperse the electrical energy of a lightning strike into the earth. The Franklin rod system is effective because it provides a low-resistance path for the lightning to follow. By providing an easy path for the lightning to travel to the ground, the system helps to prevent electrical arcing, fires, or explosions that can occur when lightning strikes a building. The system also helps to protect the building's electrical and electronic systems from damage. The installation of a Franklin rod system typically requires the services of a professional lightning protection company. They will assess the building or structure to determine the optimal placement of the lightning rods and the down conductors. They will also ensure that the system meets local building codes and safety standards. While the Franklin rod system is effective in protecting buildings and structures from lightning strikes, it is important to note that no lightning protection system can guarantee 100% protection against lightning strikes. Lightning is an unpredictable and powerful natural phenomenon, and even the best lightning protection systems can be overwhelmed by a particularly strong lightning strike. As such, it is important to take additional safety precautions during thunderstorms, such as seeking shelter indoors and avoiding contact with metal objects.